Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a get ready with me. I'll be installing this beautiful wig from BeautyForeverHair. This is their T-part lace wig and it comes in this beautiful shade with some highlights of brown in it. All the wig information will be in my description bar below. So to start off today's video, I'm just basically basing the wig, putting it where I want it to be, and kind of taming it down with some mousse and my hot comb, and then cutting that lace off. And then we are going to jump into the makeup. My everyday makeup, my usual makeup, my Kaya, it's probably time to switch up your makeup routine type of makeup. So I'm using this face moisturizer. I'll speed up this clip because we all know what it is like to rub in some moisturizer, right? I'm rubbing that all over my face, as well as some facial oil. My skin is super duper dry, so this oil, my skin drinks up this oil, so it doesn't leave my face super oily after applying the makeup, and you guys will see that at the end of the process. Next, I'll move on to my eyebrows. I kind of just fill my brows in wherever it looks like it needs hair. I don't do like a full-on hardcore brow. Most of the time I just fill it in wherever it looks pretty empty, and then I kind of blend it out with the spoolie and just try to make it fade more often because I don't like for my brows to be way too dark or too harsh. And then I'm using the Fawn Concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics, I think is what it's called. I do know it's in the shade Fawn, and I just clean up the bottom of my brow. So I no longer clean up the top of my brow anymore. It's just the bottom. Gives it a nice natural look with that bottom brow looking very, very, very clean. Then I will blend that all in with a little fluffy brush. Then we're going to jump into my face makeup. And today I'm using the NARS, I think it's the Radiant one, foundation, in the shade Macao. And I'm just going to blend that all in on my face using that Morphe sponge. Then I'm using this L'Oreal concealer, which I really love this concealer in terms of like how the concealer is made, but color, I'm not like the biggest fan of it. I like for my concealers to be more yellow. This one's a little bit more pale. And then I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup to bring some color back to my face and just sit everywhere where I put that concealer, and of course bronze my face up because it's needed. Then I'm going to clean up that bronzer as well, just making a nice sharp bronzed look. And then I'm going to dust off that powder lightly with that same fluff brush and contour my nose because it just gives a more portrait look to the face. I love a contoured nose, as well as a pop of highlight. And then I'm just going to blend the rest of that powder away and blend the rest of my face and all that. You know, apply some lashes because the lashes are needed too. Can't go without those babies. Add a little birthmark, a little mole. And then, of course, do my lip gloss. What would the look be without finished gloss? Using my brown liner and this gloss from Ulta, which they do not sell anymore. Now we're jumping back into the hair, so I'm just adding some curls to the hair. BeautyForever always has really great hair. I am definitely a huge fan of the quality of their hair. This unit is definitely beginner friendly for anyone who doesn't want to do a lot to a wig once they get it. Actually, I didn't do anything to this wig besides add the curls and put the makeup in the parting space. Other than that, that was literally the only thing I did. And then I cut the lace off, of course, and just kind of put some heat on there to flatten the roots. But yeah, like no baby hairs are needed. No extra product is needed to make your wig stay on. I am wearing this unit completely glueless, and I'm going to give you guys a 360 look on it. So yeah, if you guys are feeling this hair, feeling this entire look, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are interested in purchasing today's wig, I will have the wig information in my description bar so that you can purchase you one. But that is all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to BeautyForeverHair as well for sending over today's wig. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.